I bought a new iris that's a real pretty color. It's called the Cherub's Smile, and it's a bearded iris. So you can see the fuzzy little yellow, what they call the beard on the falls there. But I'm going to plant that in my main garden in the middle. Here is the iris itself. It's a bit on the dry side, so I need to get it in the ground. And I like to just come out, find a good spot, and this one I'm going to put here, right here in the middle, where it can be a nice little crown jewel of the garden. And I've got a lot of iris out here. I've got mostly the black and white bearded iris. It's white iris that's bearded, and then there's a black iris that they call and say it's black, but it's actually a dark purple. Very pretty though. I usually just will come out and I'll dig up the soil a little bit, chop it up, get it all nice and chopped there, and then I'll take the iris tuber, which these aren't really bulbs, they're tubers. I'd have to look up what the difference is, but they're essentially the same thing. Put it in the hole there, and I like to tamp the soil down around it a little bit, and then we will put the mulch around it and leave that little bit of the top of the iris sticking out so that we'll know that it's there. I'll probably come back a little bit later on and put a little ring around it or a little cage or something, just so I'll know this is the pink one. But everything else is looking pretty good. All these other iris are popping up. Paper whites there are starting to put their bulbs on, so those are looking really good. And we're having a nice day today. It's about 75 or so today, but I believe Monday and Tuesday or Sunday and Monday we're going to have cold weather, so I wanted to get out today and do a bit of gardening, do a bit of March gardening. Everything else is coming out nicely. You'll see my coreopsis all over. There's several places where the bushes are doing good. The sedum is looking nice, and I even have some hollyhocks coming up, which those are going to be extremely beautiful when they shoot up their flowers. But we'll see how this iris does. Maybe they usually bloom about April, late April and into May, so we shall see what we get this year.